Good morning, Ashley, right?
Yes, yes.
Thank you for coming in today. How are you doing?
Good morning, ma'am. So I'm doing well, thank you. I'm actually excited to be here.
That's great to hear. Before we get started with the questions, let me give you a brief overview of the interview process. I'll be asking you some questions about your background, skills, and how you handle different situations. So there's no need to worry, just answer as honestly and clearly as you can.
Thank you, I appreciate that. I'm ready to start now, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Let's begin. So, can you tell me about yourself?
I am currently a second year college student at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, taking up Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I would describe myself as goal driven, enthusiastic, and responsible. Through my program, I have learned how to properly handle documents, organize records, and perform basic administrative tasks, which are essential in an office setting. Our coursework and activities help me become more detail oriented and organized. Although I do not have formal work experience yet, I am eager to apply what I have learned in school to a professional environment. I see this opportunity as a chance to grow, gain experience, and develop my skills further.
Okay, that's a solid background. It sounds like you've developed some strong skills already. So, moving on to the next question, what do you think are your strengths and weaknesses?
So, one of my main strengths is my willingness to learn and adapt. As a student, I am constantly exposed to new lessons, systems, and group activities, which help me become flexible and open to change. I am also receptive to instructions and feedback, especially when learning something new. As for my weakness, I am still working on building my confidence, particularly in unfamiliar environments. However, I see this as something positive because it pushes me to prepare thoroughly, listen carefully, and ask questions when needed. Over time, this helps me improve and become more confident in my abilities.
Well, thank you for that. That makes sense. It's good to see that you're working on improving yourself. So, why should we hire you despite of your lack of experience?
Yes, even though I do not have formal work experience yet, I believe I can offer strong dedication, discipline, and a positive work attitude. Being a student has taught me how to manage responsibilities, follow instructions, meet deadlines, and work well with others. I am also very willing to learn and undergo training. I understand that experience comes with time, and I am committed to learning quickly and doing my best to contribute positively to the company. I believe my motivation and willingness to grow can make me a valuable addition to the team.
Well, okay, thank you for that. And how do you handle mistakes?
When I make mistakes, I acknowledge them and take responsibility. I try to understand what went wrong and why it happened. As a student, I've learned that mistakes are part of the learning process, especially when trying new tasks. Instead of being discouraged, I use mistakes as opportunities to improve. I apply the lessons I learned to avoid repeating the same error and to perform better next time.
Okay, that's a great approach. That's great to hear, actually. Learning from mistakes is key to growth. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a more experienced, confident, and skilled professional, hopefully growing in and with this company. I aim to have developed strong administrative and organizational skills and to be able to handle greater responsibilities. I also hope to contribute more meaningfully to the organization by applying what I have learned through experience and continuous training. I am looking for a company where I can grow professionally, and I see this company as a place where I can develop my career while contributing to its long-term goals.
Okay, thank you for your answers, Ashley. That concludes our interview. We appreciate your time and effort today. We'll review everything and get back to you soon regarding the next steps. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very much for the opportunity, ma'am. I appreciate your time and consideration, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good day. Thank you for coming today, Shani Lane Tanilon, right? So this interview will help us learn more about you and your qualification. Please answer honestly and take your time. Let's begin.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
So to start, could you please tell us something about yourself?
I am a second year college student at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I have developed strong skills in Microsoft Office, which I use regularly for academic tasks and presentations. I am organized, disciplined, and adaptable, and I perform well under pressure while meeting deadlines. I do not have formal work experience yet, but I am eager to apply the skills I've learned to a real workplace environment. I am confident that my strong work ethic, willingness to learn, and dedication will allow me to contribute effectively to your organization while improving myself professionally.
Thank you. It's good to hear that your academic training has helped you build relevant office skills. Since you do not have formal job experience yet, why do you think we should hire you?
Although I do not have prior work experience, I bring strong skills and dedicated work ethic. I am proficient in Microsoft Office application, particularly in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which allows me to efficiently handle office tasks. With my strong time management and adaptability skills, I am confident that I can learn quickly, contribute positively to your team, and help achieve the company's goals.
That's a fair point. Willingness to learn and adaptability are important qualities, especially for entry level roles. So, what would you say are your strengths and weaknesses?
Well, my strengths include organization, discipline, attention to detail, and adaptability. So being organized and disciplined allows me to plan my tasks effectively and ensure that I meet deadlines consistently. My attention to detail helps me produce accurate and high quality work, while my adaptability enables me to adjust quickly to new environments. I also work well under pressure, which allows me to remain focused and productive even in demanding situations. As for my weaknesses, I can sometimes be overly critical of my own work, but I use this as motivation to improve and ensure high quality results.
Wow, thank you for being honest. Self awareness and the ability to improve are valuable traits in the workplace. So, you mentioned you are motivated. What motivates you as a student?
Well, what motivates me as a student is the desire to grow and improve myself, both academically and professionally. Well, I am driven by the goal of gaining the skills and knowledge that will prepare me for a future career. I also find motivation in overcoming challenges and completing tasks successfully, which gives me a sense of accomplishment and pushes me to keep learning and doing better.
So, that motivation shows a positive mindset toward long term growth. So, how do you ensure quality in your output?
Well, to ensure the quality of my work, I first make sure that I fully understand the task or the instructions. I organize first my approach and set a clear plan so that I can complete everything accurately. So while working, I pay attention to details and regularly review my progress to catch any mistakes. I also manage my time carefully to leave room for final checks and improvements. I also welcome feedback from supervisors or peers because it helps me improve and maintain high standards. This way, I can constantly deliver work that meets expectations and supports the team's goals.
That approach reflects good work habits and responsibility. So, thank you for answering our questions clearly. We appreciate your time and effort in attending this interview. At this point, we have reviewed your responses and qualifications. You have shown good potential, strong foundational skills, and a positive attitude toward learning, Ms. Tanilon, and we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted for the position. Our team will contact you soon and regarding the next steps and requirements. So, yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time and consideration. I am very excited to be part of your team. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. We look forward to having you with us. Have a good day.